Four groups on the dead, better know them all. Nonpolar, polar, acidic, basic, stand tall. Our group is the key, it decides the vibe. Charged or uncharged, gotta know your tribe.
Nonpolar hides in water, polar loves to mix. Acidic drops a proton, basic gives a fix. Nonpolar crew, they hate the water scene. Hiding in the protein core, staying in between. Glycine is the smallest, Alanine is plain. Valine, Leucine, Isoleucine, branch chain gang. Proline Kinks, the helix, rigid all day. Phenylalanine, Methionine, Tryptophan, that's the nonpolar way. No charge, no drama, hydrophobic and free. Non-nonpolar members, G-A-V-L-I-P-F-M-T-R-P. Four groups on the die, better know them all. Nonpolar, polar, acidic, basic, stand tall. Our group is the key, it decides the vibe. Casual, uncharged, gotta know your tribe. Polar squad loves water, they hang on the outside. Uncharged but hydrophilic, they've got nothing to hide. Sarin and threonine got hydroxyl on the chain. Cystine links with sulfur, disulfide bond demand. Tyrosine got a ring with an O attached. Asparagine and glutamate, a my group, that's that. Six polar members, uncharged in the mixer. Group 6 charter as in Glen, learn these 6. Watch out for the dead, because the names are close. Asparagine and aspartate, don't get lost in those. Asparagine is polar, aspartate is acidic. Alanine is polar, glutamate is acidic. And I got a negative charge. Polar all day, aspen glue, negative charge. Acidic, no way. At the end means a mine. Charge, passate. At the end means acid. Negative charge to the end. Acidic crew is tiny, only 2 in the game. Aspartate and glutamate, remember both by name. At pH 7, their negative gave a proton away. Carboxyl in the O group, acidic all day. Aspen glue, the negative 2. Dad loves to test this, make sure you knew. There's the 4 basic trio, his list are 3 and done. Positive charge at pH 7, they accept the proton side. Histidine is special at physiological pH, it's borderline. Acts as a buffer in proteins, doing double time. Lysine and arginine, strongly positive all day. His list are 3 basics, lock that away. List are C like that, the 3 basic amino acids, HKR, now you say. Quick size stain makes disulfide bonds, locks proteins in place. Proline Kinks, the alpha helix, rigid at the base. Glycine is the smallest, no chiral carbon here. Methionine starts translation, IUG, coding clear. Tryptophan is the largest, remember that name. Deciding buffers at physio pH, that's his claim to fame. Special properties matter, the test, the strain. Know your odd ones out and your score will change. Bedrooms on the dead.